So check this out, this is one of my favourite deals in the ITS September sale. We've got the 4-piece Stanley XL level pack. So if you haven't come across the Stanley FatMax XL levels before, you've been missing out. They're some of the most popular and heavy duty levels available in the UK. Brilliant build quality, protected, very, very accurate dials as well. And we've got the soft grip for really good precision as well and good handling. In this set, we've got the 1800mm, the 1200mm, the 600mm and the little torpedo level as well. Bundled all that together for just $99.99 plus the VAT. And during the September sale, we'll throw you in a completely free of charge Stanley FatMax level bag as well, just to sweeten the deal a bit more. All in, you're going to be saving around £75 on that. Great deal there. All of this for just $99.99 plus the VAT. Check this deal and many more out over its.co.uk right now.